y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So as you can tell by the title for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my boiling wig method. Well, this is the typical boiling wig method. This is the 360. This is like one of my favorite wigs, and as you can tell, it is ready to get revived. I already did like a reviving wig video like a minute ago, so that was a good video to do. A lot of people found it helpful, so I'm going to show you guys my boiling method. I'm going to have like an up close for you guys to see how like the wig look, but this is a pretty good wig. It's pretty thick density. This wig is from Soul Wigs, I believe. Yes, I actually did a video on this wig so you guys can kind of see the difference between how it looked then and how it look now. I had no shedding with this wig. Like it's really a good wig, and I like how the lace laid, but as you can see, probably you see all the glue on the lace. So back in the kitchen, and no, it's not for a seafood broil or cooking anything. It's to cook a wig, broil wig. I got a pretty big pot right here. You can use any pot you want, any pot that's kind of resemble to this. It could be smaller, only boiling one wig. So this is kind of big, but it's like the pot that's not really used like that anyway. I know sometimes people have, what's it called? You know, like how you gonna cook a wig and stuff you cook food in, but this is like a pot that's barely used. And also with that, bleach do is this. Once you're done, I will hope that you bleach your stuff. I will hope you bleach your stuff in general. Put bleach in your dishwater and stuff. I will hope you do that anyway. So yeah, I got a nice hefty big pot, and I'm about to go ahead and just fill it up with water. Okay, so now I got a good amount of water. I got two different, like I showed you guys already. To me, it don't really matter which shampoos, conditioner you use to boil your wigs. I don't know what other people use. I know they use like silicone stuff, but for the most part, I think that's like the normal thing people use to boil, or they don't use anything. Actually, I boiled some wigs yesterday, and I just boiled them in the water just to get all like the dirt out and stuff. And I just let it air dry what it is. But when I'm actually going in and trying to clean it, when it's a lot of glue and stuff and a lot of product in the hair, I do like to use conditioner. I'm going to use my Pantene Co-Wash, and I actually used the same Co-Wash in my last Reviving My Human Hair Wig video. And then I'm just going to use what's left of this OGX, the Gold Cap shampoo of the conditioner. So I got some Co-Wash and conditioner, and I'm about to turn this on. Woo! Almost took my eyebrows off. Once it starts boiling and stuff, that's when I do add in all the stuff. I'm gonna let it come to a boil, then I'll add in the conditioner and stuff, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so now as you can tell, the water is at a boil. I'm about to go ahead and put some of the Co-Wash. You guys already saw it. Water. Ooh, looks like something. Then I'm gonna put some of this is like barely in it. I don't even think I can get anything out. I'm gonna put some water in it. It's like barely any of this in here, but you know I want to use every little bit of this. So I'm just gonna shake it up a little. Okay. We're gonna get some of this stuff out. There we go. Okay, so now that I got that stuff mixed up in there and it's simmering. Yeah. I'm gonna just try to get some of the knots out. Hopefully when I broil this, most of the time it do come out, but this is like a lot of glue caked. Hopefully this glue would get out the net. Like sometimes I just gotta pick it off, but we'll see. I'm just gonna set it in here. So I'm gonna put a lid on top, so because that like helps it steam and get all that gook off. Once again, you do it your way. This is my way. People do it all different types of ways. This is just my way of doing it. I'm gonna let it boil for about 15 minutes. Right now it's 4:16, so I'm gonna look at it around like 4:30. And yeah, we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I'm back in action, and I'm checking. Checking on the hair. As you can tell, it's really boiling. Really good. Really good. I see the dirt. Okay, maybe I should bring y'all closer. You see the dirt like in the suds of probably the product. But I think most of this come from like me putting concealer on my parts. So it's like makeup. But here you go. I'll take my comb. Ooh, it'd be so heavy. See, as long as the hair goes through the comb, that's good. It's not like tangly. Cut this off. It's been going for 15 minutes. Honestly, I really don't have like a set time on how long I broil my wigs. It's really whenever I really feel like looking at it. Just make sure you don't like over broil them. I think the longest I probably broiled wigs for was like maybe 25 minutes to the max. This was 15 because I know this wig wasn't as much dirty. It was more like the glue. But I did put product in it, but it wasn't like dirty. I'm gonna have to go ahead and drain this out into the sink and rinse it out. So let's go ahead and do that. You guys gonna see a whole bunch of dirt, the dirty water. And normally I try to keep the hair in the pot while I drain the water, but sometimes it falls out, so that's okay. But see the dirt? Ooh wee. Hold on, I'm gonna give it a second. You don't realize how dirty a wig be till you really broil it. 'Cause even if you wash this, I don't even think the dirt come out like this. So far I'm doing good keeping the wig in the pot. Doesn't that look like The Grudge? Is it The Grudge or is The Ring? I think it's The Ring. Whatever movie that the girl come out the TV and have the hair on her face. Now I'm about to run cool water. But this is so hot. Ooh, I need a comb. Take it over here. Ooh, it's hot. Go over there. So it can cool down so I'll be able to touch it. I don't even know if you guys got like a good look at the water pouring down, but you can see how brown the water is. Come from product, makeup, the concealer. Find the part. This would be kind of tricky. And you see with the glue, see with boiling it, you know, it's coming off a little. It's not as caked as it was. I'll try to put like a before and after so you guys can kind of get the idea. But that's what I like about broiling it, because it just comes off. And I'm just trying to rinse out all of the excess cold wash and conditioner. Just trying to scrub off some of the glue. This is way easier than trying to do it yourself without boiling it. It just picks off. I'm trying to even get like an old toothbrush and try to brush it off. It's like an old little toothbrush so you can brush off the lace. Sometimes, yeah, it comes off like that. So I'm about to finish rinsing out the hair. Now that I got like the glue out. And even rinsing out the hair, you can tell it's clean. It's no dirty. It's like not the dirty water. You don't see no brown. I'm gonna lay it on a towel and try to comb it out. Some of the little glue pieces in there. And I'm just gonna comb it out. Try to get some of that little glue pieces out. Most people know, but just try to comb gentle. Don't comb rough like this. I need to find my part. I need to find my part, which is kind of right. Where was my part? Right here. And then just going to comb the hair. Just going to stand right here so I don't have to move the camera. But to let you guys know, it's very important to let body wave curly hair dry naturally instead of like drying it yourself with a blow dryer, even if it's on cool. And this for the most part was not even tangled bad, which is good. The hair feels soft. Then I'm gonna take this and just on the top. I'm actually gonna put it on my wig head and just let it dangle. It probably dry faster instead of getting laid on the towel. Once it dries out and stuff, I'll show you guys how it looks. So I'll see you guys whenever it dries out. Hey y'all, so this is the conclusion of the video. This is how the wig turns out. Back to life and half body. Looks alive and everything. Pattern is very nice, like loose wave. I prefer boiling over hand washing it because all you got to do is throw it in the pot with the conditioner and then rinse it out and let it air dry versus just washing it and conditioning and all that in the sink. Very light and very soft, very soft. And that's one thing with boiling your wigs, it brings back its softness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below what you think. If you tried it, if you're going to try it, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Here's a little bonus footage for you guys. For some of you that need some closure with this type of stuff, rinse it out, spray all in there. Whew, that's so strong.